Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to give you a quick review about my new watch, Garmin Vívoactive 3. I already did the unboxing review and you can check out the unboxing review. I'll put the link below in the description box. So I have been using this watch for about 3 weeks now, and I'm very satisfied with this watch, and it's very comfortable watch to wear in daily usage. I find the activity tracking to be pretty accurate. The accuracy is really good. I have been using it for running and also biking. I didn't use it for swimming as I mentioned, but I have been using quite extensively for running and also sometimes biking. GPS accuracy during running is really awesome. I have been trying different settings on this watch, for example GPS and GLONASS, but that didn't work for me. So the settings which work for me very well are here. I'll list it down here. It's GPS mode. Don't put it on GPS plus GLONASS because it doesn't work in the cities. So normally I run in the cities, in the parks or in the streets, and the best settings are the GPS mode and also the save frequency to be set on 1 second, not on the smart save, but only on the 1 second. So these are the settings. Pause it and watch it, and use those settings which are pretty much accurate. Heart rate monitoring was pretty good. My resting heart rate is somewhere around 40 to 50, and so also during activities like running, my heart rate was somewhere above 150 beats per minute. So it was pretty much accurate. It reads the heart rate very fast, so if there is a spike in the heart rate, it captures it very fast. So the heart rate measurements are pretty good, despite it being the optical heart rate sensor. I didn't try it during swimming, but I'm sure during swimming there will be some deviations in the heart rate because it's based on the optical HR. It's not strapped to my chest, so it's sensing my pulse. So obviously there will be some deviations during swimming, but I didn't try the swimming part yet. But generally for running, it's pretty accurate. The steps counting feature is also pretty much satisfactory. It also counts motions. So for example, if I'm working at home, it does count it as steps, but it's pretty much based on standard motion sensors, so it's expected from this kind of watch. The steps counting during actual step counting is really fascinating. It's really satisfactory. The algorithms are really well written, and there is also a movement alarm for each hour. So normally my job is sitting in front of computer a lot of times, and after every 1 hour of no activity, the watch gives an alert that I should move. So it's pretty much helpful for me in day-to-day life. And it also puts some step goals like 10,000 or 9,000 steps per day. It's based on person to person. So for example, person with different height and different weight will have different step goals. So for me, it varies somewhere from 6,000 to 12,000. It has the smart step goals which you need to fulfill each day. Stairs climbing is something which I didn't find accurate. It's not satisfactory also for me. I have been using steps at office, at work. I normally go down and go up for 3 to 4 stairs, and the number of stairs climbed is still somewhere around 0 or 1. So for me, it's not that accurate, and it's not that useful, so I don't rely on it. For some people it can be a deal breaker, but for me it was not a very important thing. It is something which still needs to be improved. So maybe Garmin can come up with better algorithms for stairs counting, and hopefully they can fix it in the future builds. For the sleep measurements to work, you have to specify a specific sleeping time during the night, and the nighttime sleep tracking is really accurate for me. But during the daytime, if you are taking day naps, those naps are not counted as your sleep. Sleep measurement works basically on motion and the heart rate sensors. And when your heart rate and motion is lower during the nighttime period, that time the sleep is activated. I have seen pretty good results from sleep tracking. The algorithms are pretty good especially during the night times. The algorithms are really good. So thumbs up from me for sleep tracking. My usage of this watch is really heavy, and I do a lot of activities. I wear this watch daily, and I also have smart notifications turned on, and the battery life, what I have seen is somewhere around 6 to 7 days, and the charging is really pretty fast. So for example, if you are in a hurry and if you want to go grab a quick run or so, in that case you just have to charge it for, let's say, 15 minutes, and the watch is almost a 50% charge. So the charging time is really good. So that's a plus point. And the battery life is also satisfactory, given that it gives you all the notifications, it gives you all the alerts, it gives you so much data. It's also touchscreen, and it's also continuous optical HR and so on. Given the fact that so many features it's providing, the battery life of 6 to 7 days, it's really fascinating. So I just have to charge it every Saturday or Sunday or so, and then forget about the watch. For the fitness enthusiasts, for all the runners, for all the people who are in fitness or play different sports, this watch is really good in terms of battery life. The features which I didn't get time to get my hands on is the Garmin Pay. I didn't use Garmin Pay, so I can't comment on it. I also haven't been using Sideswipe much because it's pretty much accessible, but I don't use it much because the touchscreen is really snappy and really responsive. So there's no need to use the Sideswipe feature, except the case when you want to show your screens to your friends. That's it. Otherwise, the Sideswipe is not really much used. Find My Phone is a feature which I like to use. Find My Phone is the feature which I want to which I like to use really often, and because my phone is always connected to my watch. If my phone is in my house somewhere, then I can always switch on Find My Phone, and I can always find Find My Phone. The navigation feature I haven't been able to use. The Garmin Connect app is really awesome to use as usual. They have a lot of data in it. They have a lot of health and fitness data. They have a lot of numbers in it. You can look at your numbers. You can look at reports. You can look at weekly, monthly, yearly reports. You can see the trends, and you can study those trends. You can see how you are improving, or how much you have to put more efforts in, or which department you are lagging, or a lot of things are there. You can see running cadence and dynamics and so on. So these are the features which are really impressive in the Garmin Connect app. It's an amazing app. And this is one of the reasons which I choose Garmin over other watches. So to summarize about the watch, it's really awesome watch, and if you are into fitness, or if you are into a lot of sports, or if you want to see your day-to-day heart rate data and health and fitness data, then I think Garmin Vívoactive 3, it's a really snappy, useful, multifunctional watch, and it's a nice smartwatch. You can use it daily, you can use it at work, you can wear it and you can just forget about it, and it's very small. I have very small hands, you can see, and still it doesn't look that bulky as compared to other Forerunner or Phoenix watches. It's very small in compared to those watches. Very small and beautiful watch, and I'm loving this watch. I'll keep on using it, keep on doing activities, keep on doing running. Maybe in future I'll post more videos about my running, and maybe some stats of running, or maybe some vlogs or something like that. And hopefully you will be able to see more of my new watch in my future videos. And if you like my videos, please put a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. There is a link down below, and also please click on the bell icon if you want to get the notifications about my new videos. I post almost a new video every week. I make a lot of travel videos. I travel a lot and put fitness videos. I also do product reviews like this watch itself, or photography gears and stuff. And if you have some suggestions about which video should I make next, or what should I change, please leave a comment in the comment box below. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.